Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have the 2009 Ford Focus, stock number 6282. This ran from 11th 2008 to the 7th 2011. It has an LV 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the LV 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front aftermarket 15-inch wheel good tyre. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 15-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Rear boot lid no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear aftermarket 15-inch wheel good tyre. Right rear door one small mark in the corner. Right front door no dents. Right front 15-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.